Let's dive into what the supply chain and logistics are all about and how they fit into the manufacturing industry. Think of leaderships as the big picture thinkers. They set the vision, craft the business plan, and set goals and strategies to guide the company. But to turn these plans into reality, every department has to pull together. Here's how the supply chain and logistics team makes it all happen. Sales. Sales is like the bridge between the company and its customers. They need to make sure that products are available right when and where customers want them. That's where supply chain and logistics come in. They work behind the scenes to ensure that products are stocked up and ready to go. Research and development, R&D is all about coming up with new and exciting products. Once they have got something cool in their works, the supply chain and logistics team jumps in to help make it happen. This means getting materials for prototypes, organizing production schedules, and managing the logistics to get these new products out to the market. Finance. Finance keeps an eye on the company's money, budgeting, and cost management. The supply chain and logistics team gives finance the info they need about costs, for procurement, inventory, and distribution. By keeping these things in check, they help finance manage the budget and keep the company financially sound. And finally, manufacturing. Manufacturing is where the magic happens. Products are made here. The supply chain and logistics team makes sure that everything runs smoothly by coordinating the supply of materials, managing production schedules, and making sure production matches up with demand. In a nutshell, while leadership sets the course and goals for the company, the supply chain and logistics team plays a crucial role in making sure everything runs smoothly. They interact with sales, R&D, finance, and manufacturing to ensure that the company's plans are put into action and goals are achieved.